Ride of the Rain by Adele.
Okay, I thought so.